The world is like a dream. It appears real as long as one is ignorant, but it is unreal when one becomes aware. Desire is the root cause of all suffering. Eliminate desire, and you will attain liberation. All actions are merely the movements of the senses and do not affect the pure consciousness of the self. The path to liberation is the path of self-knowledge. Know yourself, and you will know the truth. If you like the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.